In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a picture to a PDF using Foxit. Whether you're looking to organize your images or need them in a professional PDF format, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. First, let's start by opening your web browser. You can use any browser of your choice, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. In the search bar, type Foxit and hit Enter. You're looking for the official Foxit website, so click on the first link you see, or specifically the one that includes foxit.com in the URL. Now that you're on the Foxit homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details. If not, you might need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, look towards the menu and hover over the Products tab. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing various options. Under the Online Tools section, go ahead and click on PDF to Word. This might sound a bit unexpected, but don't worry, we're on the right track. Once you've done that, glance to the side for a section labeled More. Click on it, and you'll find a list of additional options. Choose JPG to PDF here. Now you're ready to convert your image. Simply drag your image file into the designated upload area, which is typically labeled Drag PDF File here, or click to select. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can click on the area itself and it will open your File Explorer, allowing you to manually select the image file from your computer. After you've uploaded your image, you'll see an option to start converting it. This is usually a bright, eye-catching button labeled Convert or Start Conversion. Click on this and let the tool work its magic. As the process unfolds, your screen may display a loading bar or a spinning icon, indicating that the conversion is underway. Be patient while your image file is being transformed into a PDF document. The wait time can vary depending on the size and number of images you're converting. Once the load is complete, the site will prompt you with a download link. Click on this link, and your new PDF file will be downloaded to your computer. You can usually find this in your designated Downloads folder unless your browser is set to save files elsewhere. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a picture into a PDF with Foxit. This process is quick, simple, and incredibly useful for those moments when you need your images in a PDF format. Feel free to use this method anytime you need to convert photos or images into a more shareable document format. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.